Hey guys, so we are here cleaning the kitchen really quickly. I know I have not been around for quite some time, but I have some awesome things in store for you for the holidays, so stay tuned for that. So today we are just cleaning the kitchen, and the kitchen is like one of those areas where you want to clean more often than not. There's areas that because you are cooking, and if you, especially if you're handling meat, you might also get cross contamination from the bacteria of meats. So you want to like make sure you're putting away like dishes and stuff like that, but also then wiping down those counters as needed. So that's what I'm doing. I'm playing around with like the length of the video, seeing if you guys prefer shorter or longer. So let me know. Um I am putting the dishes away in the dishwasher, and sometimes I'll do that when it's like definitely a low energy day. It helps me, and I really do not like dishes, to be honest. Um, I actually rather cook than wash dishes. I definitely don't like drying them. That's like definitely, oh my gosh. Anyway, so yeah, on low energy days, I definitely use the dishwasher. Um, If you're looking for a dishwasher, use an Energy Star certified model because it uses significantly less water consumption over time. Um, we usually just use our dishwasher for the dishes. Sometimes we'll clean them, but yeah. And usually dishwashers use less water when you than hand washing. So that's kind of helpful to know as well. I definitely should have put my hair back. There's some dishes that I will wash, especially if like it needs that extra elbow grease into it. So trying to get that situated. Anyways, guys, hopefully you guys are having an amazing weekend. And next weekend, happy dance for being done. See you next weekend.